All right, so I'm going to show you a different way, a really easy way to install Google Analytics code on your website. So you're in WordPress, you need to go to the plugins, and you got to click Add New if you don't have this. Up in the top search bar, search for this one. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because I've never been able to. Once you search for that, it's going to pop up and you want to hit Install Now. Once you hit Install Now, this just takes a second. You're going to then want to hit the Activate button. Now that can take a few seconds for it to activate, so just be patient, let that load up and get installed in your WordPress backend. All right, so then once that installs, you'll see right below the plugins, it's going to say thank you for activating. So now you know you've got it right. Now it's really easy to then go into the settings of this particular plugin and configure Google Analytics. Let me show you how. So you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to Goolytics, whatever you want to call it. All right, so you want to get that Google tracking code there, and you want to install it. Now this is your Analytics ID. It's not the full code, right? And this makes it a lot easier because you don't have to go in there and paste the full code into your site. You just use your Google Analytics ID and you paste it right there. You save your changes, and boom, you're done. It's pretty easy to do.